If you're wondering how to use Process.st for client onboarding, you're in the right place. This quick guide will show you how to leverage Process.st to streamline your onboarding process, improve efficiency, and ensure a seamless experience for your clients. Stay with me till the end, because I'll also share an exclusive extended free trial link to help you get started with no risk. Process.st is a powerful workflow management tool that allows you to create and manage processes, checklists, and workflows with ease. It's perfect for client onboarding because it helps you automate repetitive tasks, track progress, and ensure no steps are missed, all in one place. The best part is that you can get started with a completely free version using the first link in the description below, along with some exclusive bonuses just for watching this video. Once you're logged in, the first thing you want to do is create a new process for client onboarding. You can either start from scratch or choose from one of the many templates Process.st offers. Templates are a great starting point, and you can customize them to fit your specific needs. For example, a basic client onboarding template might include steps like gathering client information, scheduling a welcome call, sending them relevant resources, and setting up accounts or permissions for your services. To get started, click on the New Process button. You can name your process something like client onboarding or something more specific to your business. Once named, it's time to build the steps. Each step is an individual task in the onboarding process, and you can make them as simple or detailed as needed. For each step, you can add a description, attach files, or even assign team members to specific tasks. The beauty of Process.st lies in its simplicity. Everything is in one place, so you and your team can collaborate effectively. As you build your client onboarding process, consider using features like checklists for each step. For example, when scheduling a call, you might want to check off tasks like confirming the meeting time, sending a calendar invite, and preparing a client agenda. One key feature of Process.st is the ability to assign due dates and automate reminders. This is crucial for ensuring you don't miss any steps or deadlines. If a task is overdue, Process.st will send you a notification to keep you on track. Now, let's talk about how to make sure your client has everything they need during onboarding. Process.st lets you create forms and surveys that can be sent directly to clients. These forms are customizable, so you can gather the right information at the right time. Whether it's a questionnaire to understand their goals or a document they need to sign, you can make the process as smooth as possible for them. Another important aspect of using Process.st for client onboarding is tracking progress. As you move through each step in the checklist, you can easily see the status of each task. This allows you to quickly spot any delays and make adjustments if needed. It's all about staying organized and making sure nothing slips through the cracks. And if you want to take things a step further, Process.st integrates with other popular tools like Slack, Zapier, and Google Sheets. So if you're using a CRM or project management tool, you can sync your onboarding workflow and ensure all your client data stays in one place. The last thing I want to mention is how easy it is to scale your client onboarding process with Process.st. Once you've built a solid onboarding workflow, you can use it again and again, saving you tons of time and ensuring a consistent experience for every client. To wrap up, if you're looking for a simple yet powerful way to manage your client onboarding process, Process.st is a great choice. Not only does it help automate tasks and keep you organized, but it also provides powerful features like reminders, forms, and integrations to make your onboarding seamless. And remember, you can start using Process.st for free with the exclusive link below, which includes extended trial access to get you started without any commitment. Don't wait. Streamline your client onboarding today and see how much easier your workflow can be.